Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something new and exciting for you guys. It's not the typical me doing my makeup and stuff like that. It's gonna be a frequently asked question video. I think I said that right. Anyways, I have behind the camera Kauthar, my little sister.
Hey guys!
She's the mini me in the CPZada household. I don't know if you guys remember, but I uploaded a picture on Instagram 2 months ago, and I asked everyone if they had any questions for me that they would like me to answer. And a lot of people actually replied. I have like about 50 comments on there or something like that. But her behind the camera is going to be asking those questions to me, and I'm gonna try to be honest, and I'm not gonna try not to lie to you guys. Maybe a little white lies, but just kidding. I'll be honest to you guys. But anyways, let's get started.
Okay, so the first question is from Neela_Y, and she asks, are you from Afghanistan?
No. Just kidding. I am from Afghanistan, but my dad is Afghani and my mom is Arab, so I'm half Afghan and half Syrian, if you want to say it like that. So yes, I'm from Afghanistan.
And she also asked, do you speak Farsi?
I understand some words of Farsi. I don't really speak it that much because
Liar.
we understand some words, you know?
Yeah.
Like here and there, like if you're gossiping about me, maybe I'll hear like, just here's my name and that's all I know. Just kidding. No, yeah, like I understand a few words, but I'm not that good at it because I was only taught Arabic growing up and now English, so yeah.
The next question is from Shazi_A. She asked, how was your classes with me? And WD, our fave professors.
Okay, that's my friend commenting on the picture, and I know what she means. We're gonna skip that. Just kidding. My class with her was my favorite. She's one of my favorite friends and classmates at school. Yeah.
Moving on to the next question is from Fatima_Afzel. Makeup tips and tricks.
So for that, I'm going to, since it's not really a question, but I feel like I should do a video, like a separate video of my makeup tips and tricks. That way it's like, this video won't be as long because I have a lot of tips and tricks that I really love using for makeup. So we'll do another video for that.
Okay, the next question is from...
Oh, and by the way, I love you, Fatima.
Next question is from _.khadija_. Tips on applying eye makeup with contacts on? Question mark. I think that has to do with the...
Yeah, so that's going to be another tips and tricks for makeup, which I will do another video inshallah soon. So keep your eyes open for that.
Again, from _.khadija. Do you have oily skin or dry skin? If you have oily skin, how do you keep your foundation from getting oily through the day?
You guys, oily skin, that's me. Like, I think because I'm a freelance makeup artist, I've never seen any of my clients that have oily skin as much as me. Like, my oily skin is like something else. Even when I don't have makeup on, my skin is oily after I wash it. Like an hour after I wash it, it gets so oily. But my tips for that is use a good primer. And my favorite primer for that would be the Benefit Professional Primer. Especially with oily skin, I find we tend to have more pores, so that helps fill in your pores, as well as it's going to help mattify it a bit. And make sure you use a lot of gel products because gel are not thick, so that way it's gonna help your foundation last longer. You're not alone in this, girl. I'm with you.
Okay. Next question is from _.khadija. It's if you have siblings, how old are they?
So be ready for the amount of siblings I have, the number of siblings I have. We're all 7 kids in this family. So it's 2 boys and 5 girls. Did she ask how old are they?
Yes.
Oh Lord. Let's see if I can remember that.
Hey, that's just me.
I'm 23. I don't mind saying my age out there. My oldest sister is 24. So I'm gonna go in like the oldest to youngest, and then we have my brother, which he is 19 years old. Did he turn 20? He turned 20, yeah. And then I have my other sister, which she's 17, and then 16, and then 14.
Yes. She got mine.
Okay, Qatar is 14, and then we have Hussein, which he is the youngest one, which is 9 years old.
Okay, moving on to the next question. What are your fave skincare products by Khadija again?
I should have a separate video for skincare. I'll tell you what I usually use. So I use benzoyl peroxide, which is for my skin, to help like prevent acne and stuff like that. So with that, I feel like I can't really use many other products because I don't want to like complicate things. So I do use witch hazel to tone my skin. To wash it, I use the Biore, I believe that's what it is. It's a cleanser, the charcoal cleanser, really good. I love it. The Clarisonic is my favorite thing I've ever purchased and the best investment ever because it helps take off my makeup really properly, and even when I have like oils or dirt or whatever on my skin. And my favorite moisturizer right now would have to be the Neutrogena one. I've been trying that one and I really like it. But yeah, if you want to know more about that, I will have a video separate on my skincare soon, inshallah.
Have you ever been to Ontario, Canada? You should come. It's lit here.
Unfortunately, I haven't been there, but inshallah I will get the opportunity to go there because I've been wanting to go there, but I just never got the chance because I'm always studying and working and stuff like that.
When's your birthday? Oh, her birthday is June 5, 1930.
Okay. Really, I look like I'm... How old would I be?
Next question. How and why are you so pretty? MashaAllah.
Thank you very much. I don't think I'm that pretty, but...
Genetics.
Oh my god, it's a lot of makeup on my face right now. So, I think that's why.
Hey, stop.
But thank you so
Okay.
much.
If you could go anywhere in this world, where would you go?
I think London, because that's like my dream, like that's my future goal is to live in London, so maybe go to London, UK. Inshallah, that's where I would want to go.
How did you start YouTube and gain views, likes, subscribers?
I don't have that many subscribers or views or
You have views, okay?
or likes. No, I'm being honest, and it's because I know, like personally, is I don't put enough time and effort like towards my YouTube channel. It's because I'm so focused on Instagram, which I'm barely on Instagram too, and I'm just focusing on school a lot right now because I just want to get rid of school and then from there maybe work towards that. But thank you so much for thinking I have a lot of subscribers and viewers, but I actually don't.
What names would you name your kids if she ever has any?
That's rude. My, like, I don't know why I thought of a boy's name more than like girl's name, but if I had a son, I would name him Adam. That's like my goal is to have a son and name him Adam. I love that name and I feel like it's so special, but yeah, I don't know for girls yet though.
Fave cultural food.
My favorite cultural food would have to be, I think, wara anab, which I don't know if you guys know, dolma. Probably a lot of people know it by that name. It's so yummy. Basically, it's like an Arabic kind of food, and it's grape leaves, and they're just like stuffed with, like rolled and stuffed with rice. It's so yummy.
Were your parents fine with you wearing makeup at first? If not, how did you convince them?
They weren't okay with me wearing makeup, and they weren't okay with me being a makeup artist as well, because a lot of people consider makeup as being something not allowed in Islam and as haram. But I think I do it for myself, and I feel like every girl deserves to feel a little more confident and pretty. And if makeup does that, so then why not, right? And yeah, so I feel like my parents got used to the idea now, and they know that's nothing wrong. Rather have your kid do something like that than do something bad, right? So it's just I started doing it for fun when I was in grade 8, and then I started wearing it more often, and my friends noticed, I guess, that my family and friends noticed that I'm good at it, and a lot of people pushed me towards like starting to do it, and I did, and now yeah, I love makeup.
When did you start wearing the hijab?
I started wearing the hijab at the age of 9. So me and my older sister, we had a period where back in Syria we would like I was 6 or 7 and she was 7 or 8, and then we would always wear the hijab, take it off. One day we'll wear it, and then another day we'll take it off, like just for fun. And then once we hit the age of 9 and 10, we like stuck to it, and yeah.
Did you struggle with the hijab when you first started?
I don't think I ever did, to be honest, besides when you have gym classes and stuff and you're like struggling to do things with that piece of cloth on your head.
Okay. Okay. Next question.
Being honest.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song, well, I have a lot of them.
It can be at the moment, like what you've been listening to.
Yeah, at the
I guess.
moment, but I've been really liking, okay, let's go to my Spotify account and just like see what's going on over here.
Skip! I'm kidding.
I've been really in love with Nancy Ajram's Beautybyrokaya. That's a really, really nice song. I've been in love with a lot of songs, but this one recently is thebomb.com. Like, I really love it, and who doesn't love Nancy Ajram, right? So, yeah.
Next question. Your hobbies.
I love sleeping. If anyone knows me, they know I love sleeping in, and I love sleeping and sleeping and sleeping. I also love makeup. Everyone would know that. Beautybyrokaya. The makeup is like a stress reliever for me, and it's like my baby. I love playing with makeup and stuff like that.
Next question is from Queen Latifah. Favorite place to shop?
My favorite place to shop, if it's for makeup, it's gonna have to be... Actually, makeup is hard, but I feel like Sephora is like... has a lot of things, right? But favorite place to shop for outfits and like clothing would have to be Zara or Forever 21. Those are like my favorite.
Next question is from, I'm gonna try and say this, Angela Liberty?
Angelica.
Angela. No, it's Angela.
It's Angelica.
It's Angela.
Okay, yeah, it's Angelica. We all know her.
Aside from why and how you're so beautiful, perfect, I have two more. What makeup are you most proud of? And if you had the opportunity to do makeup on anyone in the world, who would you choose and why?
Okay, so what makeup I'm most proud of? Probably, she means like pictures, right?
I think, like, makeup look.
Yeah, to be honest, it's this one right here. I feel like everyone knows this one. It's the one I did. It's like mermaid vibes on Instagram. I'll try to pop a picture somewhere in this video. If I know how to do that. Yeah, that was my favorite makeup look that I've done. Who would I want to do it on? I don't know why, but I feel like, whose face do I really love?
Someone with big eyelids.
I really love Kim Kardashian's face,
I
but
know it.
I'm not gonna choose her because I feel like I have someone else that I really love. Wait, oh, I know who I would choose. Probably on Huda Beauty, to be honest. Huda Beauty is like, oh, her face is so perfect. She has beautiful eyes, beautiful brows, beautiful lips, beautiful everything. So probably Huda Beauty, and I feel like her face would be so much fun to work on. So yeah.
Okay. Next question is Beauty by Jill.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's Jessica.
What is your favorite part of doing your makeup? So,
my favorite part of doing my makeup would have to be eyes. Because eyes are just so much fun, right? And you can create so many things with eyes, so yeah.
Okay, the next question is from RC underscore Pacino. Pacino. I don't know.
Arsalan, you asked where I'm from, and I already answered this, so go rewind, boy, okay?
Ariba99. From where did you take this Mua?
Makeup artistry course.
Okay.
So where I took it is MC College. It's located in Saskatoon downtown. Yeah, and that's where I took my makeup artistry course. But to be honest, where you learn a lot of your skills and everything, it's honestly practice. Practice as much as you can, and that's how you get at it. Because I feel like when I got out of makeup school, I didn't really learn that much. You just learn from practicing, right? And that's like the best thing anyone could do. Like, the more I practice, the more I notice I'm getting better at like makeup skills. The less I practice, the more I notice that I'm getting like suckier. If that's a word.
Zanara underscore Rejput. I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I got it wrong. When are you getting married? This one is kind of a nice question.
Because they're like that. To be honest, I don't know when I'm getting married. I think finding someone to spend the rest of your life with is something serious, right? So you gotta take your time, and I just didn't find that right person yet. So inshallah I will soon, and yeah.
Okay.
Zuni.
Nuna Fat Cat. Okay, so her question is, yes, how to be stunning like Beauty by Rokaya, and what are your pet peeves? Oh Lord, she has millions.
Thank you for complimenting me, girl. And what is my pet peeves? I hate when someone's sitting beside me and they start chewing and it's very loud. Like chewing sounds is so annoying for me. As well as I have a weird pet peeve when anyone is inside my room, like they go in my room without letting me know. Kata, you know that experience because she always does that. I hate when someone goes in my room without telling me. And I hate when someone uses my stuff, borrows my things without letting me know. That's probably all my sisters can relate to. What else do I hate?
Shamia.s23. Why and how are you so beautiful and perfect?
Shaima.
Okay, what?
Shaima, I love you so much. And how am I so perfect? I don't know. Like I said, it's all the makeup, but thank you, girl.
Okay. Next question is from the most amazing, brilliant, beautifulest person on the world, Kauthar_Saifisara. And she asked, am I your favorite younger sibling? And what do you love most about me?
I really like that confidence, but you're not my favorite sibling.
It says younger sibling.
Okay, yeah, just kidding. I don't really like to differentiate, but me and Kauthar are very close, but all of them are my favorite, but me and her are a lot closer. What do I love most about her? Nothing.
I got really offended.
Just kidding. What I love most about Kauthar, she's very sincere and loving and caring. And I think that's important human characteristic that a lot of people need to have. And we need more people like Kauthar. Let's clap for her.
And I'm very supportive.
You don't say that by yourself. I don't say that. I thank everyone for asking me these questions on Instagram. That's very nice of you guys to you guys helped me create this video pretty much because without you guys I wouldn't have any questions. So thank you so much. I love you all.
Before we close the video, I'm gonna give a shout out.
To who?
I'm gonna give this shout out to _.Khadija because she supported the question and answer.
Yeah, this girl asked 1,000 of questions, which I love. She asked so many questions. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe to my channel. And so until next time, bye.
I just wanna be close to you, baby girl. I just wanna. And